Everyone starts coding the same way, staring at an error message, copying code from Stack Overflow, and hoping it finally runs. But what separates beginners from professionals isn't just experience, it's mindset, discipline, and how they think about code. In this video, we'll go from beginner to pro, using timeless lessons from two of the most influential books in software development, Clean Code by Robert C. Martin, and The Pragmatic Programmer by Andrew Hunt and David Thomas. We'll break it down into 3 parts. The mindset of a professional coder. Writing clean and pragmatic code. Becoming a real problem solver. Part 1. The mindset of a professional coder. When you start coding, it's tempting to focus only on syntax, the how. But pros focus on something deeper, the why. 1. Code is a craft, not just a job. Robert C. Martin says, clean code is code that looks like it was written by someone who cares. That's what professionalism is, care. You're not just making it work. You're making it worth maintaining. The pragmatic, elegant and lasting. 2. Think before you type. Beginners rush to write code. Professionals pause. Before coding, ask. What's the real problem? What assumptions am I making? How can I design this clearly? Taking 5 minutes to think often saves hours of debugging. 3. Continuous learning. Both books remind us, a good developer never stops learning. Andrew Hunt suggests building a learning portfolio. Try a new language each year. Read a technical book every few months. Contribute to open source or side projects. That's how you stay adaptable, a skill more valuable than any single framework. 4. Take responsibility. In The Pragmatic Programmer, there's a golden rule: own your code. When something breaks, don't blame the tools or your teammates. Investigate. Learn. Improve. Owning your code earns you respect and teaches you faster than any tutorial. Part 2. Writing clean, pragmatic code. Now that you've got the mindset, let's talk about how to actually write clean, maintainable code. 1. Meaningful names. Martin says, naming is one of the hardest problems in programming. A name should tell a story. Bad example. Good example. See the difference? One's a mystery. The other's communication. 2. Keep functions small and focused. A clean function should do one thing and do it well. If you describe your function with int, or, it's too big. Break big tasks into smaller, meaningful functions. Small functions are easier to test, reuse, and read. 3. Don't repeat yourself, dry. From The Pragmatic Programmer, don't repeat yourself. Every piece of knowledge should have a single home in your codebase. Duplication multiplies bugs. Instead of copying logic everywhere, abstract it into one shared function or class. 4. Comments explain why, not what. If you're using comments to explain what the code does, rewrite the code instead. Comments should explain why it's written that way. Example. Short, helpful, and purposeful. 5. Automate tests early. Testing isn't an afterthought, it's protection. Write small, automated tests as you go. Example. Tests give you confidence to refactor and evolve without fear of breaking things. 6. Refactor ruthlessly. Once it works, refine it. Martin says, the only way to go fast is to go well. Refactoring isn't wasted time, it's preventive maintenance. Tiny improvements today save you massive headaches tomorrow. Part 3. Becoming a pragmatic problem solver. 1. Write code for humans first. Computers don't care about style, but humans do. Future you will have to read your own code, so write like you're explaining it to your future self. Readable beats clever. If you have to explain a line to someone, rewrite it. 2. Fix root causes. When something breaks, don't just patch it. Ask why again and again until you find the real issue. Example. The app crashes with large files. Quick fix. Catch the error. Professional fix? Optimize memory usage. Fix causes, not symptoms. 3. Version control everything. Use Git. Always. Commit small, meaningful changes. Instead of update code, write messages like fix off by one error in bonus calculation. Version control isn't just a tool, it's your personal time machine and safety net. 4. Automate repetitive tasks. Hunt and Thomas say, if you do something more than twice, automate it. Scripts, linters, formatters, CI pipelines, they're not luxuries, they're your teammates. Automation saves time and reduces mistakes. 5. The Boy Scout rule. From clean code, leave the campground cleaner than you found it. Whenever you touch code, make it a little better, rename a variable, remove duplication, tidy formatting. Those micro improvements compound into a clean, stable project. 6. Communicate and collaborate. Professional coders aren't lone wolves. They share knowledge, review code respectfully, and ask questions early. Remember, programming is communication, not isolation. 7. Balance perfection with progress. Clean code matters, but perfectionism can paralyze you. The pragmatic programmer warns against gold plating. Sometimes, good enough is good enough, especially when deadlines matter. Your goal is to deliver value and maintain quality, not to chase endless polish. Becoming a professional coder isn't about mastering every language or framework. It's about mastering yourself, your habits, your mindset, and your discipline. From clean code, we learn to care about clarity. From the pragmatic programmer, we learn to think critically and take ownership. So keep learning, refactoring, and improving. Because the best code you'll ever write isn't just functional, it's thoughtful. Thanks for watching. Give us what you want in next video.